everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this mini phone for your dolls. You'll need some cardstock, some fine-tipped pens, and hot glue. So to start, I have this template that I have already made. It is 2 centimeters long and 1 centimeter wide. And then I'm just going to put that on some cardstock and just cut it out, because I don't want to use my template for my phone, because I use that to mark all my other phones. So once you've done that, and it's the right size, then you can take this piece, and then you can just add some glue to it, and then glue it onto some more of the same cardstock. Then cut around it so it'll be thicker. And I'm gonna add another layer. I usually add about 3 layers. And there you have it. Now for decorating, I just like taking a pencil to sketch out my design first. And then color it. And then add the little camera and the home button. And then on the back, I like making phone cases sometimes, or I just like having the little logo. Mine is a little star. So first I draw the little camera, and I'm actually gonna make a phone case for mine. So I just color around the camera, and then draw my design for the phone case. As you can see, I made a little donut. Also, I made an iPad as well, and it's the same technique. And this case is actually made from a previous video, and it can actually be removed, which I think is really cool. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked these mini electronics. If you did, please give me a like. And anyways, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!